Welcome back to your science class. In the previous sections of the videos, we were discussing our chapter number 17, Stars and the Solar System. And we have studied our chapter number 17 up to the topic Jupiter, Brihaspati. Now for today, we will start our chapter from the topic Saturn. Saturn is known as Shani in the Hindi. Saturn has the most visible and beautiful rings that encircle the planet. Means around the sun there are beautiful large rings that encircle the planet. The rings are composed of ice and rock particles. Means these long rings are composed of ice and rock particles. It appears pale yellow in color. It is somewhat pale yellow in color. It has 53 confirmed and 9 provisional satellites. Means Shani, Saturn have 53 confirmed and 9 provisional satellites. Saturn is the least dense among all the planets. Means the density of Saturn is very low. Its density is less than that of water. It can be seen with naked eye, but its rings are not visible with naked eye. Means we can see the Saturn with the naked eye, but we cannot see the rings. Next topic is Uranus Arun, which is known as Arun in Hindi. Uranus also has a ring system. Means Uranus also consists of a ring. It has 27 natural satellites. How many satellites are there for Uranus? There are 27 natural satellites. Like Venus, Uranus also rotates from the east to the west. Means what is the direction of rotation of Uranus? It rotates from east to the west direction. The most remarkable feature of Uranus is that it has highly tilted rotational axis. Means it has tilted rotational axis by which it rotates. Its axis of rotation is inclined at 97.8 degree. This means it rotates almost on its sides. Means it rotates over its sides. The earth with its axis at 23.5 degrees spins like a top, while Uranus rolls like a ball. Means it rotates like a ball. It cannot be seen from the earth with naked eye. Means it is invisible to the naked eye. Next topic is Neptune. Neptune is called Varun in Hindi. Neptune also has a ring system. Means Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they all three have ring system. It cannot be seen with naked eye from the earth. We need a telescope to see it in the night sky. Means it is only visible under a telescope. Being too far away from the sun, it is very cold and it takes the maximum time to revolve around the sun. Means its temperature is very cold and it takes maximum time to revolve around the sun. The storms occur all the time at Neptune. Means Neptune is always surrounded by the storms. It has 13 known satellites and 1 provisional satellite. Means there are total 14 satellites. Out of 14, 13 are known satellites and 1 is provisional satellite. Now next topic is dwarf planet. Dwarf planet means the planet which is very smallest in size. It is named as Pluto. On 24 August 2006, the International Astronomical Union gave a new definition of the term planet. According to this definition, a celestial body should meet the following conditions to be classified as planet. Means this union decided that a celestial body will only be called as planet when it finds some of these classifications, like it must orbit around the sun. Means it must have a orbit around the sun around which it will revolve. It must have sufficient mass so that its own gravity can hold it into nearly spherical shape. Means the mass should be sufficient for a planet. It must have clear neighborhood around its orbit, means it should be surrounded. Pluto cloud not be considered as a planet because it fails to meet the last condition. What's the last condition? Means it should be surrounded by a clear neighborhood and is now classified as dwarf planet. Why so dwarf? Because it is very smaller in size. Pluto was discovered in 1930. Means when was the discovery happened for Pluto? It was in 1930. The average temperature on the surface of Pluto is minus 230 degrees Celsius. It takes nearly 248 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Means it takes 248 years. It is a very long time to complete one revolution around the sun. It has 5 satellites. Pluto is about 5.8 billion kilometers away from the sun. Means what is the distance between the Pluto and the sun? It is around 5.8 billion kilometers. The International Astronomical Union has given Pluto a special place in our solar system by designing dwarf planets that orbit the sun beyond Neptune as Plutoids. Eris that orbit far beyond Neptune is a Plutoid, while Ceres that orbit is the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is a dwarf planet. Next topic is some other members of the solar system. First one is asteroids. Asteroids, in figure number 17.23 you can see the asteroids. Asteroids are small irregular shaped heavenly bodies of rocks, means they are made up of rocks and metals that revolve around the sun in the gap between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Means the gap between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter creates asteroids. The number of asteroids between Mars and Jupiter is so large that they appear as a belt in this region. There are two theories to explain the formation of asteroids. Means there are basically two theories which explain how asteroids are formed. First one is, some scientists think that asteroids are pieces of materials that failed to come together to form a planet when the solar system was being formed. Means some scientists concluded that asteroids are pieces of materials. Next one is, some scientists believe that asteroids are the pieces of a large planet that went close to Jupiter and broke up by its gravitational pull. Means they are the small parts of some planets, of some large planets. Asteroids can be seen through large telescopes. There are maybe as many as 1 lakh asteroids. Asteroids can measure a few meters to hundreds of kilometers in width. Means its width is very high. The surface of the asteroids is full of craters indicating impact from meteorites. Now the next topic is comet. A comet is a small body of ice and dust that revolves around the sun in highly elliptical orbit. Means comet is generally made up of ice and dust particles. A comet generally appears as a bright head with a long tail. As a comet approaches the sun, it gets heated and leaves behind a stream of hot, glowing gases and dust particles. This appears as a tail of the comet. The tail of a comet always points away from the sun. Means the tail of a comet is always away from the sun. The length of the tail grows in size as it approaches the sun. Means when the distance decreases, the length of the tail of a comet increases. Many comets are known to appear periodically. One such comet is Halley's Comet that appears nearly after every 76 years. It is named after Edmond Halley, who calculated its orbit. Means who was the scientist who discovered the orbit of comets? Edmond Halley. It was last seen in 1986. Halley's comet will be visible again in 2061 to 2062. Means in these years we will be able to see the comet again. We will continue our rest of the topics in the next video. Thank you.